Your Insignia TV is showing a perfect picture, but there's absolutely no sound coming from it. Or maybe the audio is very low, delayed, echoing, muffled, unavailable, or missing completely. The good news is that in many cases, this problem can be fixed without calling a technician. In this video, I will show you several simple troubleshooting steps that can help restore sound on your Insignia TV. We'll go through the most common causes of audio problems and the fixes you can try right at home. So let's get started with the first solution. The first thing you should do is power cycle the TV. This is a simple step, but it can help resolve various technical issues. Unplug your Insignia TV from the power outlet and leave it unplugged for about 60 seconds. After that, plug it back in and turn it on. Once the TV is running again, check if the sound has returned. Another thing to check is the audio connections. If you have any audio devices connected to the TV, take a moment to inspect all the cables. Make sure HDMI cables, optical cables, soundbar connections, and speaker connections are securely plugged in. A loose or improperly connected cable can prevent sound from working correctly. Next, check the TV volume and audio settings. Open the audio settings menu on your Insignia TV and make sure the TV is not muted. Verify that the volume level is turned up and confirm that the audio output is set to the correct source. If the audio output is set to the wrong device, you may not hear any sound from the TV. If you are using external audio devices, try disconnecting them temporarily. Disconnect any soundbars, external speakers, Bluetooth audio devices, HDMI audio devices, or optical audio devices connected to the TV. After disconnecting them, return the audio output to the TV's built-in speakers and check whether the sound settings become available again. While you're in the sound settings, make sure the TV speakers are enabled. Open the sound menu and confirm that the TV speakers option is turned on. If the TV speaker settings were unavailable before, check them again after disconnecting any external audio devices. You can also try resetting the sound settings. In the sound menu, look for the reset option and use it to restore the audio settings to their default values. Once the reset is complete, test the sound again and see if the issue has been resolved. If you normally use a soundbar or external speakers, make sure those devices are working properly. Check that they are powered on and correctly connected to the TV. Then adjust the volume on both the TV and the external audio device to make sure there is no volume conflict between them. If the sound is still not working, try performing a cold boot. Unplug the TV from power and leave it unplugged for about 5 minutes. After that, plug it back in and turn it on again. Once the TV starts up, check whether the built-in speakers are working normally. If none of the previous steps have fixed the problem, you can try a factory reset. Keep in mind that this will reset all TV settings back to their default state. Go to the TV settings menu and perform a factory reset. After the reset is complete, go through the setup process again and then test the sound. That's it for this video on how to fix no sound issues on your Insignia TV. I hope these troubleshooting steps helped you restore the sound and get your TV working properly again. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips. If you have any questions or if one of these solutions worked for you, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.